Hi, I'm Tom with Blue Frost Heating and Cooling in West Chicago. We recently did an installation at Geneva Family Dental, and I'm here with one of the owners, Dr. Melissa Jentz-Cote. Hi, Doctor.
Hi, Tom. It's great to have you here today.
We installed a whole office air purification system here at Geneva Family Dental, and I'm here today to follow up on the work that we did. How's everything been?
It's been great. We love the extra protection for our patients and staff.
That's great. And while we were working on this project, we kind of got to talking about how similar the inner workings of the human body can be to a well-functioning HVAC system.
That's right. The body has a very intricate system for keeping itself clean, full of oxygen, and to fight off viruses.
And our home and office comfort systems have very similar systems in place to keep our environment healthy. Dr. Melissa, why don't you start us off?
Okay. Well, the cardiovascular system or circulatory system is an organ system that uses arteries to circulate and transport things like oxygen, nutrients, blood cells, and more to the body cells.
And an HVAC system is a lot like that. It pumps air to every room in your house or office by the use of a circulator fan. So that would be like the heart.
Yes, that's a good analogy. The heart uses veins to pull used blood cells back through very efficient filters, the kidneys and liver, and then replenishes the clean blood with plenty of oxygen through the lungs, expelling carbon dioxide.
And your comfort system circulator fan uses return air ductwork to pull dirty air through air filters that can also be very efficient. And a fresh air ventilator to supply the space with plenty of oxygen and expel the carbon dioxide. And just like periodic checkups are so important to stay healthy, your HVAC system should also undergo a similar inspection and tune-up regularly.
That's right, Tom. An annual checkup is an important part of your oral hygiene regimen. Don't let something that's a small issue today become a big and costly problem down the line. We want you to keep your teeth for a lifetime.
At Blue Frost, we feel the same way. That's why we offer annual maintenance plans to keep your HVAC running smooth and worry-free. Thanks so much for talking with us today, Dr. Melissa. If you want your dental work done in a healthy, relaxing environment, come see Dr. Jentz-Cote here at Geneva Family Dental in Geneva, Illinois. For more information, just go to that website there on the bottom of your screen.
And if you want a clean, healthy environment at your home or office, call Blue Frost Heating and Cooling. I should know. They take care of me.
Thanks, Doctor. For more ways that the human body is similar to your HVAC system, check out some of our other short videos in this series. Blue Frost Heating and Cooling. Your comfort and safety is our business. Visit our website at bluefrosthvac.com or give us a call.